Welcome to another BookingKoala tutorial. If you don't have BookingKoala yet, be sure to get it from the link below and follow along step by step. If you're new here, we have lots of tutorials about BookingKoala on our channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can easily find us whenever you need help with BookingKoala.
In today's video, we'll show you how to embed your BookingKoala forms into your website. Let's get started. You can easily embed your BookingKoala forms into your existing website if you already have one, and don't need to use the BookingKoala website builder that comes with your account. So, to embed a form, you have to go to Settings. Click the Design Forms in Website. Then Embed Forms. This will direct you to a page with codes and references to each of the forms. Copy the code. And all you have to do is to paste it on your website. Or you have to add a HTML code and then paste it there. So, this is what it looks like after you added it to your page. That's all. Thank you for watching.
If you are interested in a simple-to-use cleaning business app, check out Clean CRM. Right now, you can try it out for free for 30 days.